Happy Wednesday, everybody. It's the first week of Advent, and I just wanted to give everyone a reminder, no matter what is going on during this season. I know that it can be extra busy and high expectations, and also a lot of people get sick this time of year. We've had our own versions of that lately, and so I just wanted to remind all of you that no matter what state life is in right now, whether it's stressed or chaotic or exhausted, just to take some time to take some deep breaths and slow down and enjoy experiences this holiday season. I think this year, more than ever, our family is thinking more about not doing the gifts and the hustle and the bustle and making everything just right and having a huge, dinner or something. But how is it that we can make our holidays times and our holiday events simple and meaningful and a great experience, and it be less so about the stuff and the things and all of that. So this year we started hopefully a new tradition and went and cut our own Christmas tree, and we just had a great time doing that. And so just thinking more about things that actually warm your heart instead of are things that bring stress and expectations and empty your wallet. So happy first week of Advent.